Hey everyone, it's Jodas here again, and today we're reviewing the Transformers earthrise Voyager class Series 1 Starscream by Hasbro for 2020. Now, this version Starscream, he is the Earth mode, and he is based on inspired G1 classic animated television. I think it's probably the best Starscream we got. Now, I don't have the Masterpiece Starscream yet. We saw a picture. He's kind of rare ones. But this one's probably this one. So Starscream, he's the second air command for Megatron throughout the season entire, up until the 1986 movie where he actually betrayed him. He pushed Megatron frozen in deep space along with Seekers along Skyward, Thundercracker, and the Decepticons. Who would later becomes Coronation, and unfortunately he distracted by a Mysterious called Galvatron, and he died pretty throughout the movie. He was turned dust, but he comes back as a ghost, tries resurrected by Unicron, but the plan failed. He was just shut down by all it, and this is the last time we see him. So that's about Starscream. He's the most popular character from the franchise. So here's Starscream in his jet mode. I believe this is inspired by Fighter Jet. Nice little inspired colors. I really like his windshields. Has a little orange. Nice little details. Just a plastic ones. Nice detail. Has the Decepticon logos. He has a weird, unexpected, looks like a pink red mark or scratch paint, but looks like someone got accident. And shows the back here, not much, has engines. And on the back, on the bottom, we can see it's got robot jumps. And unfortunately, there's no wheels. It's pretty unfortunately. That was kind of disappointment. I thought it was going to have landing gear, but it doesn't come with landing gears. Now, to transform to the Starscream in his Voyager class. Now, first to do, let's take a look at his ultimate unpeg, his weapons removed. First of all, it comes with weapons. First, it comes with New Ray blasters. Comes with New Ray arms blaster. I think it looks pretty nice. Just a silver, just a nice plastic. Just nice plastic and details. Now, for transform to Starscream, of course. Let's start things off. Let's bring this kinetic. Let's start. Oops. Unpeg his. And sorry about his eggs fell out the rope. Unpeg. Let's unpeg. Opens up, and you can see there's a little unpeg is here. Now there's a little slide connect this peg. Wait, no, let's then use that. Now let's unpeg. Now let's unpeg his here. Now I'll do exactly the same. So that's that. Now let's move on to unpeg his little. Let's unpeg here. Let's start rotating around. Connect this here. Start closing. Oh, I almost forgot. And then finally opens up. It reveals our Starscream's head. Let's start connect. Next we have. Let's move on to the next one. Apparently, you're supposed. Now. This is going to be difficult. Come on. Then you can see the Starscream's on. Oh. ouch. Start close here. And do it exactly the same. Now do exactly the same. Now do exactly the same. And there you have it. So here's Starscream in his robot mode. Now for the weapons, as I said early, comes with little blasters. It goes a little peg on his here. Also, we're seeing if you watch the War for Cybertrons, Starscream and the other Seekers are holding weapons looks like this. Hold this hand weapon instead of arms. Yeah, I kind of do not like this. So I guess we'll go put it in shoulder tennis. Let's go peg hold this. So here's Starscream in his robot mode. And he looks very accurate, show accurate. Not much. Now, figure yourself. This thing is saying about, I believe it's 6.5 inches. Can't remember. This here is about 6.5 inches because of the shoulders. Now, articulation. Before articulation, let's take a look at the head sculpt. Now, here's a better look at the head sculpt. Now, head sculpt is kind of hard to see. Well, you don't see it. I actually really like this. He has a face that's just a main, seriously face. Now, there's a variant for Starscream one. There is the Studio Series A6 Leader Class Starscream, aka Coronation Starscream. But this figure is the same mold, except new face and a new surgery. Plus the fingers articulation, Muska's finger articulation. Here's a better look. The face are actually just it looks like it has a gray face. It's got a gray face. Nice little detail on it. Just a nice little detail, just thrusters. Let me turn off this. A nice little thing on the back here. There's no robot junk. It's got a wing, except the cones are like hanging. Nice little detail. It has a little Decepticon logo upside down. The rest of the body looks nice, just the blue and white. Now it says it looks pretty nice detail. It's got a cone in this one's. Now, as far as articulation goes, Starscream, it does head can rotate for his 360 degrees. It does go up and down and side to side. And his arms goes up and down, goes in and out that much. It does get biceps, so 360 degrees. Then in the elbow, then in the elbow, no wrist articulation. There is no wrist articulation. Does it have wrist? No, it ain't moving. This one has no wrist articulations. No waist articulations. His leg is forwards and back goes in and out that much. Then the thigh sole. Then at the knee. And his ankle forwards left. And just side to side. Also, his wings are articulation left or right. So, yeah. You got nice little cool pulsar articulations. Now, speaking of size comparison, here's the next to the Megatron. Here's next to Megatron, the leader. Everyone's there, the biggest traitor. Everyone's there a traitor before it gets traitor. He's a little bit shorter than Megatron. So that's that. And here's next to leader class on the Strike from earthrise. Yeah, this looks pretty size different. That's pretty cool. Now, there was a variant I mentioned earlier. Now, I didn't mention the variant for Starscream. It's a coordination Starscream, but this figure is the same mold, except the face and the hands, or actually fingers, are articulation. And the surgery comes with a crown, shoulders, and it comes with Decepticon from. That looks kind of cool. Really need that. And there was also a 2-pack, which is a Thundercracker and Skywarp. I think it's available at the Amazon exclusives. Those 2-packs are really, really expensive. Maybe someday we'll get there's a 2-pack with a Skyward Thundercracker someday in the future. So, yeah. Overall, this is a pretty excellent Starscream figure. This is probably the best Starscream got. It's a more G1 show accurate. It looks better compared to the classic Starscream from Transfer Universe line. It looks pretty close, but the articulations aren't just terrible. It's just a blocking arms is it's just disappointment. And there's also Masterpiece Starscream that was the and show accurate, was this really expensive, so I did not get this one. Oh, and sadly, he does not come with Megatron's gun when he was holding Starscream weapons. So yeah, that's kind of really disappointment. That's his really kind of disappointment. There was a Megatron's gun that was came as a surgery pack called the Weaponized pack. I think it's a drones weaponized figure packs that give back that came with a bunch of surgery weapons. Was we saw a picture, so maybe we'll hopefully they get the future or not. So anyway, I hope they enjoy this one. So what do you guys? Oh, this Starscream figures. What do you guys your thought? Let me know in the comments. Be sure don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.